For the last 3 minutes, I have been talking to this camera like you guys, like it was on. I had slit the pork chop in half, not in half, but I had cut it and ate 2 pieces and thought that you guys were gonna see it, but it didn't record. I mean, I guess What is up, you guys? Today I am going to be showing you how I fried my pork chops. This is just me playing in the kitchen, trying to get my Sunday dinner together and wanting to bring you all along. So let's go. I have 6 pork chops here. They don't have any bones in them. I like the ones with the bones in them the most, but these are boneless, but we're still gonna, just easier to eat up all the meat. Then I got my ingredients, which I showed you all already. And if I didn't, I'm showing you now. I have my onion powder, garlic powder, olive oil, extra virgin olive oil, salt, and pepper. So first things first, let's pat our pork chops dry. And I'm just gonna hold that. Can you see? You can't see. Well, I just was dumping out any extra little liquid that was at the bottom of the bowl. So. All right, so I'm gonna start with a little bit of olive oil. I'm not measuring anything. I'm just pretty much gauging it. Oh, let me bring you all over here. So I added my olive oil into the bowl, some garlic powder, as much as you want, onion powder, same thing, as much as you want, black pepper, or white pepper, or cayenne pepper, whatever pepper you have and you want to use, you can use that. But I'm sticking to traditional black pepper. So and salt. Then you want to get to mixing. Hands are clean already, so I'm going right in. You want to make sure that all that seasoning gets on every piece of pork chop that's in the bowl. So these are our seasoned pork chops. And I'm going to put these in the refrigerator for about an hour, maybe 2, because I'm cooking these tonight so I can have some lunch for tomorrow. That's it for now. We'll be back in a few to show you how to fry them up. And I'm not going to show you how to tear them down because you should already know how to do that. All right, guys. What is up, you guys? What's going on? I am back. I gotta tell you something. I actually fell asleep yesterday and never cooked the pork chops, so I am doing them today. But the good thing about that is they got to marinate for almost 24 hours, so they should be real nice and flavorful. But I'm about to actually cook them now, and that's my cat, Sammy. Sammy. She says hello to you all. I'm actually about to cook them down and knock this out. So join me in my adventure. Sammy. Let me show you how I'm gonna do my flour. This is not a good angle, but we're gonna have to work with what we can work with. The gold metal. which I normally use for baking. I just got 1/3 of a cup of, a measuring cup, and I'm just going to pretty much shake that over here. And so I know some of y'all will go, oh my God, you're not gonna season your flour? I don't know. I am actually going to season my flour. Let me give this a quick. Whoa. And I'm just going to sprinkle it with a little salt and pepper. So I'm just adding a little salt, just a touch, a pinch, and some more black pepper for the crust, the coating, the flour portion of our meal. You need to do too much because it's already well seasoned. Wow, almost forgot about you. Well, what do you know? Looks ready to me. So let's go. Don't look for exact measurements, exact portions for the season. Don't look for exact cooking times, because this is the thing. I don't know. You just take a chance. It's like, no, don't listen to me. I mean, I think I kind of know when pork is done. I mean, I wouldn't do more than like 10 minutes, 7 to 10 minutes on the first side, 5 to 7 on the next side. These are already like, they don't have no bones and nothing like that, and they were already clean. I guess they're medallion-like. They don't take long to cook, and you don't want them dried out. Trust and believe, there's nothing worse than a dry-ass pork chop, so. Normally I'm in here singing. I'll have a little something going on in the background. You might not even need 7 to 10 minutes, because these little blitzes seem like they is almost there. It smells amazing in here. Rice is going, pork chops are going. It only takes 5 minutes for the vegetables to get going, to be done. So this has been a productive afternoon or evening. So good. Oh, you know what I want with them? I want some mashed potatoes and definitely some gravy. Let me put the camera down for a minute and get the rest of these going. For the last 3 minutes, I have been talking to this camera like you guys, like it was on. I had slit the pork chop in half, not in half, but I had cut it and ate 2 pieces and thought that you guys were gonna see it, but it didn't record. Listen, everybody eats this stuff. It's a lot of, let's just get into it. Look at that. I will say this. You can use a little bit more salt. People probably like, people I know will probably be like, it has enough salt in it already. It could use a touch more on this actual meat and not the flour. But this is good, because you know what? I have a doctor's appointment this week and I do not need them telling me I got high blood pressure over the fact that I had some pork chops the other day. You know what I mean? No. So this is done. These are our pork chops. All right, guys, that's it for today. I'm done. The pork chops are made. For whoever watched this until the end, thank you. This is it, guys. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe if you want. If not, that's okay. I will get something out there that will entertain you and that you will want to like and subscribe for. So